welcome to Goma at Home. Today we're preparing pork, beans, and sausage. We're using Fabada beans. Ito. So these are medium-sized Fabada beans. And what I did was to soak it overnight, in water. Para pag niluto natin siya today, malambot na. And then, we have our ingredients. Pata, pork hock, some sausage, garlic, onions, onion leeks, some oregano, and tomatoes or pimiento. Pwede rin. So, this is what we have in our kitchen and we'll begin. Let's skin our garlic. Let's put in a lot of garlic. And then while we're doing this, we'll heat up our skillet already. So we'll be cooking this in this big casserole. Yan, natin siya ilalagay. So we'll put some extra virgin olive oil to begin with. When you crack your garlic well, pag angat mo sa kanya, sasabay na siya dun sa matatanggal siya with the skin. Mag-separate na kagad. And then, we'll mince it. We'll cut into small pieces. Okay. And since we'll be boiling this for quite a while, you don't have to cut it into very small pieces. Paano kasi dudurog na siya pag luto mo. Okay? Take out the skin. You know, when I cook, I like cooking with a lot of spices para mas malasa. I'll cut this in half. And then cut into big pieces, just like that. Okay. It doesn't have to be very fine for this dish. So it's best to prepare all your ingredients first para when it's cooking time, you just drop in all your ingredients. Tapos ka na, madali lang. Wow. Now it's hot. So this is our pata. I'll put in our onions first. Gusto ko muna inuuna yung onions para hindi masunog kagad yung garlic pag niluto mo na siya. Some people kasi they cook the garlic first and then pag hindi mo na control, susunog yung garlic. And when pag nasunog yung garlic, it becomes very bitter. Remember, hindi maganda sa buhay ang bitter. Ha? So pag translucent na yung onions natin, pwede natin ilagay yung garlic. Okay? And then sa grocery, you can buy yung pata, pata ng baboy. And cut it into slices like this. Ito ngayon ilalagay natin sa beans natin. Sarap ng combination to. Pata, beans, and then sausage. Wow. And then let it boil for about an hour. Let it simmer down. Sarap niyan. So ngayon, lalagyan naman natin yung pata natin. Let's wash your hands. Okay. Then we'll cut some onion leeks. Wash it a bit kasi meron pang naiiwan ng mga lupa. We'll cut this into big pieces like that. This will add good flavor and nice colors to our beans later on. Ganda nito. So at this point, pwede natin isama to. Yan, let it boil with the pork. Lagyan natin ng tomato. Just kind of tomato. Any tomato will do. Wag lang, tomato sauce okay, but mas maganda kung dice or whole tomatoes kasi may texture siya. Just like that. Okay. Then meron pang lagyan ng konting water. Sayang kasi naiiwan na tomato dito. There you go. And then we'll mix this. Sige, so we'll mix this now. Look at that. Ito pa lang ang bango-bango na Really good. And then we'll add our sausage. We'll cut our sausage into big pieces. Yan. We'll put in two pieces of sausage. Let's try the sausage. Sarap to Good. We'll drop it in here. Bango. So once we have our sausage there, lagyan naman siya ng bay leaves. Yeah. And then we'll put in some black pepper. Then put in oregano. Very nice. And lastly, we'll put in some salt. Okay. And then, if you can find dried chili peppers, but this one is it's a Spanish kind, yung choricero pepper. So, hindi siya masyadong spicy. It's mildly spicy. Hindi, mabango yan. Mabango talaga. Para siyang bell pepper na drenay lang, parang ganito. Na drenay, no? So we'll put in 2 of this to give it some more flavor, smoky flavor and color. I'll cut into big pieces also. And ito may mga seeds sa loob, but it doesn't matter. It's not too spicy. So we'll cut it to big slices. Dry na dry talaga. Ganda ng pagka-dry nito. Wow, there you go. And all of this we'll put in here. Just throw it in your casserole. And then we'll let it simmer for about 45 minutes para lumambot na talaga yung baboy natin. And then we'll put in some stock, some chicken stock. Let it boil para lumambot yung baboy natin. We'll mix it one more time. Okay. We'll wait this thing to boil. Pag malambot na yung baboy natin, pag medyo malambot na, not talagang sobrang lambot ng baboy, we'll add in our beans. Since it's soaked overnight, so sandali na lang yung cooking ng beans natin. So from this point on, we'll wait for this to soften, okay? And while we're doing that, yung beans na sinok natin overnight, i-drain na natin, see? If you soak your beans overnight, makikita mo if you bite it, malambot na talaga siya. In fact, yung skin niya kung minsan natatanggal na. It's soft already, so with this one, it shouldn't take long to cook. Mga 15-20 minutes, luto na itong beans na to. So, we'll drain it now. Okay. There you go. Let's wash it one more time. Okay. So, let's let it drain. Oops. Okay. And then, balik ko doon. When it's ready to use, ilalaglag lang natin sa casserole natin. Okay. You know what goes good with this? Let's look for bread. To-toast natin yung bread, and we'll put some olive oil, little salt, and we'll put in some parsley. Perfect. If you don't have parsley, pwede rin celery leaves. Alright? Alam nyo ba na itong dish na ito, itong pork and beans, no? Although minodify natin, nilagyan natin siya ng sausage, was established in the American diet in the mid-19th century. Commercially, ginawa nila ito, tinawag nila ito as pork and beans, no? That was introduced in the United States sometime in 1880. So, yung mga commercially available na pork and beans na nakikita nyo ngayon, yan, sa ganito nagsimula yan. Okay, so while we're waiting for pork pata to soften, gawa na tayo ng ng bread natin. Let's toast some sourdough. I want to get the middle part. We'll put some olive oil. And then sprinkle some salt and pepper. Salt. Yeah. If you have no parsley, you can use you can substitute it with celery leaves, no? Get some celery leaves. It's a different flavor than parsley. Konti lang. It's good. I love the taste of celery. Sarap. Cut into small pieces. This is what we'll put on top of our toast. No? Let's do that. Okay, we'll toast our bread. Put here. We'll toast 2 at a time. While we're toasting our bread, we'll check on our pork and see how it's boiling. Wow, ganda na. Yeah, no? Okay, let's give it a try. Let's check on the taste. Ooh, nice. Let's give it about another 20 minutes. Tapos lalagyan natin yung beans natin. So let's continue to boil this. Oh, check on our bread. Okay. Right. Check natin ito niluluto natin. Maghalo tayo. Ooh, beautiful. Yeah. Toasted na to. Ito nga lang, ganito lang, pwede na eh. Put some celery. Just for taste. Good. What more pag may beans pa, no? So, while we're waiting for this to soften, kain muna ako ng bread. Breakfast ko to. Let's check on our pork. This is how it's coming along. So after 20 minutes of boiling, you'll see that your pork is starting to get soft. And then we'll try it once again. Oh, it's much tastier now. Harap! I can taste the sausage already. Tama-tama lang yung spice niya. It's very mild. Tapos magiging mild pa yan once we add our beans. No? Another 15 minutes, then we'll put in our beans. Let it soften. Our pork is medyo soft na. We can add our beans already. So we drain our beans. Now we'll put in our beans. Dito. Remember, mag-expand to, so you have to leave a little room, ha? Kasi pag-expand nito, baka umapaw pag hindi nyo binigyan ng konting space. And then we'll add some stock into it. And para tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung pag-boil niya. Okay, good. There you go. Cover it. And then, alam nyo ba, na ang beans is a great source of fiber. It has riboflavin, iron, vitamin B. So, yun yung benefits ng beans. So, eat a lot of beans. After 25 minutes of boiling the pata and these beans, let's give it a final try. Looks good. Nice. Let's check our pork. It's soft. Uy, humok. Humok na di ay. Lami na ni. Good. Okay, let's plate this. Beans. And then you have your sausage. Ooh, beautiful. Tanawa, oh. How nice. Looks so nice. Put in our bread. Some celery in it. And here also. There you go. So here's our pork, beans, and sausage. Let's try it. First, we'll try the pork. Wow, tingnan mo. Lambot talaga ng pork, oh. Oh. Nahuhulog lang yung bones, oh. There you go. Sarap. Beans and more pork. Init. Up. Alam nyo, sana nandito kayo para matikman nyo ito. It's really good, no? It's so good. It's so hearty. Oh, yeah. So there you have it. Pork, beans, and sausage. So do this in your own kitchen. If you have the ingredients and the recipe, just do it. It's fun to cook, and it's more fun to eat. Thank you for watching Goma at Home. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment on my page. And don't forget to press on the notification bell so that you'll know if we have new video for you. And I'll see you again next week, okay? So this is Richard Gomez, right here in Goma at Home in Ormoc City. Daghang salamat. Bye! Paul, dami, kayo!